Airport information, Bravo 1652 Zulu weather observation. Wind 2106, visibility 10, sky clear. Temperature 18, 2.7, altimeter 3013. RNAV approach runway 16 in use, landing and departing runways 16 and 24. Advise contact your information, Bravo.
Hey everyone, so today we are taking the XLS to Moline for maintenance, a bit of scheduled maintenance and some interior work. I am here a little early updating the databases, and yeah, since it's an empty leg, we're wearing jeans, it's casual, so that's kind of fun. I think it might be interesting to otherwise see what it's like to take this airplane from Chicago Executive Airport to Moline. Come along and check out what a maintenance repo flight is like. So I just wanted to jump in here real quick and say that I did edit out all of our tail numbers from the ATC audio. So if it seems a little bit choppy, that's why. But yeah, I hope you still enjoy this video footage of taking our plane to maintenance. Executive clearance looking to pick up IFR to Moline.
Citation executive clearance cleared to Moline Airport. Radar vectors ON is filed. Climb maintain 2000. Expect 12000. 10 for departure. Departure frequency 120.55. Squawk 4327.
Cleared to Moline via radar vectors ON is filed. Up to 2000. Expect 2010. Departure 120.55. Squawk 4327.
Back correct.
Exit 533, clearance clear to Victor November Charlie Airport via the Monks 5 departure.
No takeoff.
Transition and then as filed. Climb via the SID, except maintain 2000. Departure frequency 120.55, squawk 6576.
Speed brakes are good.
Alright, pressurization is set. ATC clearance FMS, we have clearances in the box. CVR, TCAS, TAWS is all tested. Avionics cooling fans are on. Lab doors are latched open. ICAS is checked, and as expected, I'll go ahead and kill the APU if you
go ahead.
Don't care.
Just do this.
Yeah, sure thing. B speeds are up, AOA is up. I think, actually the ATC is probably updated. I'll just get the
observation. Wind 240 at 8, visibility 10, sky clear. Temperature 19er, dew point 7, altimeter 3012.
3012.
RNAV runway 16 approach and use, landing and departing. Runway 16 and 24.
Juliet at signature with
Notice
Charlie ready.
bird activity in the vicinity. Advise contact you, it is Charlie. Clear 455 November Juliet ground, runway 16, taxi via Kilo. Chicago Executive Airport.
16 via Kilo, Leo
Alright.
5, November Juliet.
Ready for taxi?
Yep, ready when you are.
Alright, I'll call him. Executive ground citation information, Charlie, ready for taxi.
Ground, runway 16, taxi via Lima.
16 via Lima. Alright, 16 via Lima. Brakes and steering seem good.
PRs will get around the corner.
Okay. And flight instruments check.
Yeah, got 0 straight and level 12, gives me 650 once, twice, 3 times up to 2000.
Good.
Left seat off of runway 16, 1 mile, within 1 mile, half mile, turn left to where we get
040
up to 2000. Straight out, well, we'll still make the turn if we lose one.
Sounds good.
Go to Milwaukee if it's really bad.
No questions.
Alright, here's TRs.
6, 4, 2. Norm. Right. And rudder bias when you get a minute.
Rudder bias is done.
Oh, cool. No, you're good. Alrighty, flaps are set 15 in, indicating speeds are for flaps 15. Speed brakes are retracted.
Yep.
Trims are set 1, 2, 3 times. Any ice is checked and off. Crew briefing is complete.
Alright.
Ready for action.
Let's do this.
2055 is departure. Want me to let them know we're ready?
Yep.
Tower, citation, runway 16 ready for departure.
Citation, executive tower, fly heading 360, runway 34, cover takeoff.
Alrighty, and we're at runway 16. Just want to verify runway 16 go for takeoff.
Did I say 34? I'm sorry. Citation, turn left turn heading 360, runway 16, cover takeoff.
Roger, thanks for the clarification. Left turn 360, runway 16, clear for takeoff.
Pitot lights.
Alright, lights are on, pitos on, ICAS is clear.
Clear left.
Finals clear. I see a runway 16.
Clear left.
Cessna 167, uniform Delta, continue inbound runway 16, traffic departure, prior to arrival, Learjet.
Continue inbound for 167 here from Delta.
Learjet, yep. Alright, 16, see it.
Alrighty.
Power set.
Verified power, airspeed's alive, 1, 2, 3 times. 80 knots, cross check, V1. Rotate. V2. Positive rate.
0. Okay, you have heading.
Good tight left turn 360, contact Chicago departure, good day.
Keep it in tight, left turn 360 over to departure. One to go.
Dodge.
And flaps whenever you want them.
Yep. Yaw amp on.
Yaw amp's on.
Flap 0.
Flaps up. Departure station 1700, climbing 2000, left turn 360.
Chicago departure, radar contact, climb maintain 4000.
Climb maintain 4000. Alright, and you're good on the stab.
Yep.
Flying 340 and contact departure on 125.0.
Was that for heading 340?
Affirmative, 25.0.
Roger, 25.0, heading 340. Want to go. Departure citation 3300, climbing 4000, heading 340.
Citation, departure flighting 270, climb maintain 6000.
270 up to 6000. West. 270 is bug, 6000 is set.
See it.
Alright, after takeoff, gears up, flaps up, throttles are in climb. Yaw amps on. Pressurization is coming up, 1 to go. Altimeters, we're not going to get that high. Afters are done.
Autopilot on, please.
Autopilot's on.
Squawk to the airport information, Alpha time 1752 Zulu. Wind 2707, visibility 10, skies clear. Temperature 21, dew point 08, altimeter 3012. Visual approach in use, landing and departing runway 27. North Airman, runway 27 glide swap out of service. Taxiway Charlie, runway guard at runway 13 are not standard. Advise on initial
straight in runway 27.
Alpha.
What?
Echo Kilo 6. So
Yeah. Across 23. Easy peas.
Said you're doing survey work, or are you orbiting certain vectors?
Cool information, Alpha. I'll just throw your speed stuff in now, because we're going to start down in like 2 minutes. Oh, you grabbed one of those? No!
November 1 Juliet.
You're the worst. You're such a bad influence. Oh, is this raisin? You know, I'm actually okay. If that was chocolate chip, this would have been game over.
I was debating between double chocolate and this.
Dude, double chocolate is always.
2,500.
I told you when I used to order a bag. When I worked in Green Bay.
Yeah.
I would order a box. Me and the other pilot went in on a box of double chocolate.
So how much are they?
It was like $50.
How many are in a box?
300.
Oh my gosh!
So split it. I bet half of them were never baked. I just ate.
Colony 976, turn left heading
so
2.
The cookie dough?
Yes.
Oh man. That's so good. Those are my, cookies and brownies.
Aztec, call me.
Ultimate weakness. What was
125.905.
I would approach 125.905. Good day.
Good day.
Approach citation 10,000. Information Alpha.
Quad City approach, good afternoon. Expect the visual approach runway 27 and proceed direct Ks, descend pod discretion, maintain 3000.
Roger, we'll expect the visual 27, direct, can you say that fix one more time?
Ks, Kilo Alpha Yankee Echo Sierra.
Direct Ks and then down to 3000. Execute, alright, nav. To K's, discretion to 3, so whenever you want to start down.
Give me a direct 23.
Okay. Approach citation is leaving 10,000, descending 3000.
Roger.
Alrighty, anti-ice, de-ice, not required. Pressurization is set for landing and coming down. APU, we'll just leave it off. Yeah. Exterior lights are set. Looks good. And altimeters are set 3012, set 3 times. That's what it is at the field. Approach checks. The avionics and flight instruments are set. We've got the ILS 27 in there. Speeds are in. You've got ref is 107. App is 112. Gas safety. Not required. Not required.
All the people back there?
Yeah, for all of our passengers. And up to flaps.
Alright.
Holding for flaps.
Quad City approach, Aircopter 72269.
Aircopter 72269, Quad City approach.
Oh, there's the runway.
Aircopter
you see it out there?
269, wind at the Quad Cities, 250 at 6, altimeter 3011, contact tower, they'll have instructions for you.
Alright, 3011, and we're switching to tower guard 72269.
Tower is 19.4.
Hotel Quad City Airport, 12 to 1 o'clock and 15 miles.
Field in sight.
Clear visual approach runway 27.
Clear for the visual 27.
That 23.
Yeah, sure thing. 23 is set. It's so nice when they're landing west when we come in.
I know. Or even from the southwest.
Yeah, the other one, yeah.
That's actually more convenient.
Oh, for the taxi? Well, yeah.
Straight in.
Contact tower.
Contact tower.
Over to tower. Quad Cities Tower, citation visual runway 27.
3.27, good day.
Good. Man, I hate when I do that.
Fuck.
37 Romeo over to departure.
Tower citation visual runway 27.
Quad City Tower, good afternoon, runway 27 cleared to land, wind 240 at 6.
27 cleared to land. Cool, 240 at 6, cleared to land, standing by on configuration.
27, intersection, November.
Station 97 Victor Sierra, Quad City Tower, hold short, runway 27, traffic line.
Hold short, 27, 7 Victor Sierra.
Guard 72269.
Alright, flaps at 15. Would you like gear now as well?
Sure.
Speed checks.
Aircopter 269er, landing at the LA ramp at your own risk, and it's just going to be you for number
3 green,
1.
no red. Flaps are set 15 and indicating.
Proceed direct to the ramp, guard 72269.
Flaps 35.
Speed checks. And flaps indicating 35. Got it.
Red flaps are full. Alright.
3 green, cleared to land. Standing by on yaw damp.
Roger.
Little,
500.
little thermally out here.
Yeah. Could feel it coming too. Alright, yaw damp is gone.
Yaw damp's away before landing checklist is complete. Runway 27 cleared to land. Still got 3 green. Okay, repping 10 and slowing. And there's ref. And 6 lights. 80 knots. 70.
Good parking.
Going to Elliott.
Taxi Elliott on this frequency via Echo, Kilo 5, Kilo, cross runway 23.
Alright, we'll stay this frequency and taxi to Elliott via Echo, Kilo 5, Kilo. And cross runway 23. Alrighty, afters. And he said remain this frequency, so that's easy.
Number 97 Victor Sierra, proceed on course, runway 27 and November, clear for takeoff.
On course,
Vito lights, all good, flaps.
November, 97 Victor Sierra.
And cool, speed brakes. Afters are good.
Clear right.
Clear right.
This looks like a runway.
It does, this taxiway? Yeah, it does.
I think it used to be.
Yeah. And clear right.
Clear left.
Getting the APU Hobbs is always a bit of a contortion.
Yeah, it is.
Alright, got all the numbers.
The Saratoga. Nice.
Station 97 Victor Sierra, contact departure, take care.
Alright, departure, have a good day, 7 Victor Sierra.
Some sort of a military helicopter. I'm not very good at helicopter recognition.
No, I'm not either. I just know it looks cool.
You see our guy over here?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Alrighty. And standby and avionics. Cool.
Alright, that looks good.
Yep.
That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to drop a like down below and subscribe for more fun flying content. It's a little bit of work, a little bit of aerobatics, and all fun. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.
How far are we?
38 miles.
Oh, okay.
I mean, yeah, it's... We don't have that far to descend. You can do some back of the envelope math.